different beads. And the first one, I'm gonna do it right where is the almost end of my first colors. So I'm blend it down, so that's why I won't have to worry about it blending and then cuticle, perfect cuticles area at the same time. Look good on the long nails. You like this design? Second bead, I'm gonna do that. If you want to like perfect of any edges you feel like you need to add on, you also can do it too. Hey Eric. Okay, so happy with this. Just trying to get it blend really well. And then we're gonna using a crystal clear to cap it. To make sure they are cut perfectly on this nails without, if just in case if you're doing an e-files, you are not gonna have to worry about, you know, is too heavy-handed and taking away your ombre design. It's happened to me when I was starting learning as ombre. It's a wire and then.
Thank you, Debbie, for sharing.
Hey, thank you, Debbie. How are you sharing though, Debbie? Me and Dom couldn't figure out how to do that.
I guess it's just updating, so we don't have to share.
So you updating maybe the new app, I guess. Maybe I. Hey, thank you, Debbie. Look at you have to really seeing it. Super cool. It feels like the hair or something there. I like that one though. If you have to see really cool closer. Nice. I get some fun on that one. So I'm gonna clean my brush. Clean that's really well, and make sure you don't have any excess of the powders left on your brush. And then clean that. Shape the brush nicely. And then cap on. Oh, put that watch party. I can't even do that too. It doesn't give me anything to do, Debbie. It doesn't give me and then keep it upside is your bristle down with the cap on. It doesn't let me an option of watch. It's only let me an option of the like and loves. That's all. And I'm gonna let this one set right in front of you, and I think I did this one with that look. That's Halloween foil. And the first look, I'm using all the leaves. Cool, I'm gonna put it on the side right here. Hey Shay, how are you? Hello Glow 10, how are you? Oh, you know what? China, the same thing. I don't know is how you just need to go back into our page on the top. I think it's 3 dots. You just need to turn on the notifications. I don't know how it's Facebook work, but how is Instagram, like you go into the top right and there's the 3 dots. You can, I guess, just turn on the notification. Maybe I should do a video for that. How to turn on the notifications. Oh, let me move this. I'm gonna show you how I file. It's gonna easier to doing it for the like a real hand, humans being hand, instead of just this. Basically, the hand file, it will do everything for you. Basically, if you are focused on like applications and filings, like you don't need to using so much of your e-files, like a little bit up to clean up the cuticles and smooth it out, but usually with this, it will take care of most of majority of your shape and structures of your nails. I think it's gonna look so much better if I do on a real model.
Thank you, Dan, for those through the trouble for sharing.
Oh, thank you, Shay. Thank you, Dom, for sharing. Ah, drop that. Great, so I'm using a 100 and 100 and 100. Just buff it. Can you close this one for me? Please, thank you. No, Cece, I can't share it on Facebook for everyone. It's great. Okay, let me dust this off. And then we're gonna take a look after we top coat it. Spray with alcohol. Clean. See, so now, if you don't want anything else, you can just top coat and good to go. Top coat here for, did I drop something? 60 seconds. I just buff on this, so then that way it looks matching the colors. Look at that. If you don't want anything, top coat and you're good to go. I am gonna top once. And should I bling once? If I don't bling once, then everybody gonna miss it. I will miss it, because I don't know of any time that I would do with no crystal. Oh, you say Sharon? How are you sharing on Twitter? On. I'm gonna have to learn a lot from all of you with TikTok and Twitters. I think you have Twitters, and I'm not good at this. And then TikTok, I'm not good at it either. So I have to learn a lot from you, and I am absolutely open to learn. What should we do now? I have all thousands of ideas for all of you. Pistol School. That will look good. I am going to top coat this one and leave it alone. You can do a matte top coat if you would like to, but I'm going to using a no wipe top coat. This one. Two. You love Twitter. Everybody tweets really well. I think this one looks good with matte too, but you know what? The sugaring, glitter sugaring, like I did, just tap some on. It looks so cool. It just changed the look of this. Hey, thank you, Dom.